This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Maritza Kalantar. Beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is in the coveted community of Cypress Creek. Fresh paint inside and outside with new water heater. This open floor plan has a spacious kitchen with new solid surface countertop, sunny breakfast nook and great-sized family room, all overlooking the open lanai/porch with large backyard. The master bedroom features dual solid surface vanity sinks, walk-in closet, separate large garden tub and separate shower. Home site that is fully fenced with PVC fencing also has mature trees for shade. Cypress Creek amenities include a clubhouse, 2 pools with cabana area, basketball courts, playground, dog park and outdoor fitness stations. Conveniently located near I-75, Highway 301 or 41 for easy commutes. Close to shopping, restaurants, hospitals, waterfront county park with boat launch, schools and Amazon. Come check out this move-in ready home today before it's gone. For more information, review the details below.